And welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 57. Which of the following is not a major challenge in achieving the Millennium Development Goals? A. Empowering widows on entrepreneurial skills. B. Failure to implement the universal basic education nationwide. C. High and alarming rate of poverty. D. Inadequate skilled manpower and health facilities. E. The ravaging scourge of HIV and AIDS. So the Millennium Development Goals, or MDGs, were basically eight goals put aside by the government and with collaboration from the United Nations in order to improve standard of living in low income countries. So Nigeria was one of the countries that participated in MDGs. Now, the eighth agenda included eradication of poverty, achieving universal primary education. Another was promoting gender equality and women empowerment. The next was reduce child mortality. Another was improve maternal health. The next was combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Then you also have ensure environmental sustainability, and then lastly develop a global partnership for development. So these were the 8 MDGs, the 8 goals, and among the options given to us, empowering widows on entrepreneurial skills isn't exactly even one of the goals. So it isn't exactly a challenge in achieving the MDGs. But for failure to implement the universal basic education nationwide, achieving primary education was one of the goals, one of the MDGs. So this failure to implement the basic education nationwide is one of the problems that affected, or one of the challenges that affected the Millennium Development Goals. Now, high and alarming rate of poverty is a major challenge because eradication of extreme poverty is one of the goals. So the alarming rate of poverty poses as a challenge in achieving this goal. Now, D, inadequate skilled manpower and health facilities. You have reduced child mortality, improve maternal health, and combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases as MDGs that involve health, or that involve the health sector. Now, because of the inadequate skilled manpower in the health sector and inadequate health facilities in Nigeria, this goal, or this served as a challenge in achieving these 3 goals. And then the ravaging scourge of HIV/AIDS is also seen in these points about combating HIV/AIDS. So the ravaging scourge is a problem in achieving this exact goal. So you see that empowering widows on entrepreneurial skills isn't exactly a major challenge in achieving MDGs. So the correct answer is A, empowering widows on entrepreneurial skills. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.